English medium. Subject Mathematics. Lesson number 6. Let's read and write in words. 20 and 1. 21. 20 and 2. 22. 20 and 3. 23. 20 and 4. 24. 20 and 5. 25. 20 and 6. 26. 20 and 7. 27. 20 and 8. 28. 20 and 9. 29. 30. 30 and 1. 31. 30 and 2. 32. 30 and 3. 33. 30 and 4. 34. 30 and 5. 35. 30 and 6. 36. 30 and 7. 37. 30 and 8. 38. 30 and 9. 39. 40. 40 and 1. 41. 40 and 2. 42. 40 and 3. 43. 40 and 4. 44. 40 and 5. 45. 40 and 6. 46. 40 and 7. 47. 40 and 8. 48. 40 and 9. 49. 50. 50 and 1. 51. 50 and 2. 52. 50 and 3. 53. 50 and 4. 54. 50 and 5. 55. 50 and 6. 56. 50 and 7. 57. 50 and 8. 58. 50 and 9. 59. 60. 60 and 1. 61. 60 and 2. 62. 60 and 3. 63. 60 and 4. 64. 60 and 5. 65. 60 and 6. 66. 60 and 7. 67. 60 and 8. 68. 60 and 9. 69. 70. 70 and 1. 71. 70 and 2. 72. 70 and 3. 73. 70 and 4. 74. 70 and 5. 75. 70 and 6. 76. 70 and 7. 77. 70 and 8. 78. 70 and 9. 79. 80. 80 and 1. 81. 80 and 2. 82. 80 and 3. 83. 80 and 4. 84. 80 and 5. 85. 80 and 6. 86. 80 and 7. 87. 80 and 8. 88. 80 and 9. 89. 90. 90 and 1. 91. 90 and 2. 92. 90 and 3. 93. 90 and 4. 94, 90 and 5, 95, 90 and 6, 96, 90 and 7, 97, 90 and 8, 98, 90 and 9, 99. Standard second.